G'day, welcome back folks. This is another update for Bitcoin. So here, just be careful. It's broken through the previous key resistance area, but watch, there's a bearish divergence in play. So just be careful of that one. But first, in terms of the outlook, as of December 2024, Bitcoin is in a fundamentally bullish phase driven by its halving cycle, heightened institutional interest via spot ETFs, and macroeconomic tailwinds. Bitcoin has surpassed $100,000, bolstered by sustained demand, though key resistance around 105 could challenge further rallies. Market participants are cautiously optimistic, anticipating some volatility as Bitcoin consolidates gains from its remarkable recovery since 2022 lows. To support the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So let's get stuck into the trends. So we look at the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. We always look at the larger time frame trends first. And here you can see on the monthly, the CCI is broken above its moving averages. And if you're new to the channel, these moving averages on both the price and the CCI can be found in the description below in a separate video. But here you can see both the price and the CCI broken above the moving averages, giving us a bullish signal. We did have a resistance up here at 99,000. Now it's actually broken higher than that. So we'll readjust that in a second on the daily. Here on the weekly, we did this CCI is moving in line with the price, and that's what you normally want to see. There's no divergence there. And that's also a bullish move on the weekly, with the CCI breaking higher than the moving averages, and likewise the price. Now on the daily chart, you can see we've got a bearish divergence, lower highs on the CCI versus higher highs on the price. Up until that point, it did actually bounce down, hit our minimum target range at that point. But notice the CCI is still falling, with the price still moving to the upside. So that is still a bearish divergence in play. And if I extended that to that level there, it's a bit hard to see through those moving averages, but that's still a long-term bearish divergence versus, let's try and move that trend line to that point, that's a increasing at higher highs on the price. Now I'm going to remove this resistance, and there's no sign yet of a pullback, although notice here we've got a inverted hammer, and if that continues, if that stays green, we're going to anticipate further move to the upside, very likely. Now again, it's all about probabilities, no guarantees, so don't put your house on it, but basically that's what that inverted hammer means. If that would turn out into a red candle, that would be a inverted, what is it, like a shooting star, I think, but just be careful of that. That would be a shooting star if that was red. So at the moment that's looking green, and that's a positive, so we might see further movement to the upside. But again, don't put your house on it, because we've got this bearish divergence, and at any time now it could actually start turning down. That's on the daily. Now if we go to the intraday chart, again using the daily as a reference, we only take short trades here. But again, I'd like to see this start breaking to the downside before getting too cocky, especially breaking below this moving average to be bearish. At the moment the CCI is bearish, but not the price. So as soon as that price breaks below those moving averages, then take short trades only. So avoid going short, but I would even avoid going long at this point, because you might be entering at the top here at the moment. To support the channel more, hit that like and subscribe button and share the video. For added benefits and the cost of a coffee, consider subscribing to the Patreon page, where we look at weekly scans of bullish trending shares and insider trades that may have occurred. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.